All right, everyone, a quick update on Jasmy here. So as we can see on the chart here, low to the high, the 382 here on the bottom, at the bottom of our box rather, is holding strong. So Jasmy looks extremely well here. As long as we're holding over the point 0.5, ultimately in our green box here, we are good to go here on Jasmy. So I'm very bullish on Jasmy at this point. Higher highs, higher lows, extremely bullish looking chart after all of this time. So hopefully all you Jasmy holders are paying attention, and what we're going to look at now is where this thing is going to end up. I think once this thing starts pushing again, we do have that $6 billion market cap up to the 786 at 12 pennies. And let me go ahead and scroll this back in a little bit so I can grab this. And if we get a nice run out of here, we do of course have the 618 here. We never quite got up to it, 55 or 5.5 pennies. And I've told you guys in the past that once this thing gets over 5 pennies, so once you move up about 78% and we're holding the 618 as support, I think that's the point to where she's going to be extremely bullish here. And then it should spike right up to that $6 billion market cap. And going from today, that's about a 300% move up to that 12.5 penny price range there. And then if we come up to the previous high here on the Coinbase chart, a little above it, a little below it, you're looking at somewhere around the 17.5 billion dollar market cap up to this 35-cent range. And going from today, depending on where you land, 10x, 11x, maybe a 12x out of this thing, if that's all it's going to do, which I see a lot of people calling for that 30 to 35 cent range on Jasmy here. And if we switch down to the Gate.io chart, you can see there's more confluence with that. If we go, the 618 retracement on this chart takes you up to 30 cents, a $14 billion market cap, and this where's that 5 cent range? The 382 here on this chart is that 5 penny range. So if you're going by the Gate.io chart, once we get over the 382, you're officially bullish over 5. And then of course on the Coinbase chart here, once we get over 5 pennies and get over the 618, that's when the potential breakout is in play here. So not looking bad at all for Jasmy here. As long as we hold over this price target here, anywhere from 3.1 down to about 2.9, 2.95, 2.97, we are good to go. If we fall below that, then there is a very good strong chance that we're going to have a deeper retracement, probably down to the 618. And any lower than the 618, then you're coming back down to that 3.2 area, which the 618 is all the way down here at 2.3. So if we end up dropping below the 3.82 here on Jasmy, then look for anywhere from a 15% drop down to 2.6, all the way down to the 618 to 2.3, and you may drop 25%. So just keep an eye on those. But like I said, it looks extremely well right now. If we get a nice little pump from where we are right now in this box, I would say once we break over 3.4 here, over this 236 for a 14% move up, she's probably going to just spike right up to that 618 here at 5 and move up 80%. So just keep an eye on those prices. And of course, comment down below, how high do you think Jasmy is going to go? Do you think that 30-35 cent range is fair? Or are you more along the lines of the dollar? You can see if this thing goes on the Coinbase chart to the new high at the 1272 at 130, that is a $65 billion market cap. And going from today, you are looking at about a 40, almost a 43x on your investment to make it up to that level. And of course, the Gate.io chart has the dollar range at the 786 retracement up here to $1.09, a $50 billion market cap on Jasmy. And let me see, going from today, let me move this down just a hair here for Jasmy. That would get you that $50 billion market cap, and looking at about a 35x on Jasmy here. So what's your target on Jasmy? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.